Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Lexmark NB2236i device, and now I'm gonna show you how to copy using this printer. So, firstly, you need to install paper in the paper tray. You have tray number 1 and tray number 2. I will insert in the tray number 2. Here we have blue plastic objects. You need to divide it to the max and then insert the paper, maybe not to max. Okay, so great. Insert the paper card. Then you need to insert the paper you want to copy. You need to insert the card you want to copy in the laser tray. To do it, you need to open this cover. Not this cover, not big cover, but this smaller part of the cover. So open it, and here you will see the glass, and you need to insert your paper card on this glass. So set it here and close the lid. Then just click copy. Here you can set up amount of copies, for example 2, 3, 4 copies. You can enable ID copy. Here you need to set up copy from A4, for example, paper, and copy to A4, A5 on which type of paper you have in the tray number 1 or 2. Then scroll down, scale, you can automatically scale, darkness, quantity. So here you can set up your copy. You can enable background removal if you have the background in your paper card you want to copy, and then just click copy. So wait a while. As you can see, my printer can't identify the paper card, so I need to reinsert it again. So great, scroll down, click done. Okay. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.